Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu once happened to pass by an assembly of the people in the mosque and inquired, "Why are you sitting here?" They said, "We are sitting there to remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." He asked, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, are you sitting here only for this purpose?" They said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we are sitting here only for this purpose." Hazrat Muawiyah radiyallahu anhu whereupon said, "I did not exact an oath from you on account of some suspicion, and no one enjoying the position with relation to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam like me has reported fewer ahadith from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam than I, and undoubtedly once Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam happened to pass by an assembly of his companions radiyallahu anhum, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired, 'Why are you sitting here?' We submitted, 'We are sitting here in order to remember Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and thank Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for the favor which He Jalla Jalaluhu conferred upon us by guiding us to Islam.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, are you sitting here only for this purpose?' They submitted, 'By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we are sitting here only for this purpose.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'I did not get the oath from you because of some suspicion, but just now Gabriel alayhi salam came to me and he intimated me that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is taking pride in the presence of the angels alayhimus salam because of you.' Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6797.